So guys, to fix this problem, you want to go into your BIOS and you want to enable SVM mode. To do that, you want to go to search and type in reset this PC. Click on it. And now once you run this, next to advanced startup, you want to click on restart now. And then click on restart now again. Just wait for this, which will then take us to here. Now once you're on this screen, you want to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then UEFI firmware settings. And then click on restart. It's now going to take us into our BIOS, which will then take us into our BIOS. I'm using an AMD CPU, so I need to enable SVM mode. If you're using Intel, you need to enable VT-X. We're all using different motherboards, so it's going to look different for all of us, but it's still going to be quite similar. In my case, I need to go to the MIT tab. Now I'm going to expand advanced frequency settings. And now I'm going to open up advanced CPU settings. And I have SVM mode right here. I already have it enabled. So you want to enable SVM mode, and for the Intel one, I'll put it on screen what you need to enable. Now click on save and exit. Save and exit setup, and then click on yes. Go back to Windows and then the problem should be fixed.